Hello and welcome to this class. So today we will create a curve like this. Okay. So I delete everything. I go to the top view. So I go to the top view. I will go to add curve path. Okay. So I zoom into this path. I will press tab and I will only keep these three vertices. Okay. So I delete this vertex, delete, I delete this vertex, delete. Okay. So then what I will do, I will go to add modifier. This is our modifier. I will go to add modifier. Here I will add screw. Okay. So in the screw, increase this screw meters. Say it will come like this. Okay. I increase the iterations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So you can give the height. Okay. So if you are making a curve shape, okay, if you want a curve shape out of this, first you have to create the straight. Okay. So after that we will make it a curve. So I have created it like this. So then what I will do, I will add a solidify. Okay. Add modifier. I will add a solidify. Now zoom in and see, and whatever modifier you add, it will come to the bottom. Okay. I increase the thickness. Okay. No need to add smooth to it. Okay. It will become very heavy. Okay. So I have created like this. Next I will create my path. Okay. So the path may be a Bezier drawing or it may be an arc. Okay. Let me do a Bezier drawing. Okay. So I go to the top view, I go to add, I click on curve and I click on a Bezier. Okay. Like this. Press G and move it here like this. Now see the shape comes somewhat like this. Press tab, press A, press scale. Okay. Like this. Now what I do, I select the end vertex, press E, okay, like this. Press E, you can create a shape, any kind of shape. Press E, like this. Press E, press E. Okay. So you can draw a measured shape using your AutoCAD and all. Okay. Here I am just roughly placing the curve like this. Okay. Suppose I have created my shape here. Okay. So now what I will do, I will select this shape. Okay. So I want it to be straight. Okay. So I will go to my top view. I select this RX90. Okay. Now see this shape. Okay. This is like this. I will go to my front view, RX90. This was top view. Okay. So RX90. Okay. I want it to be straight actually. So I select this RY90, enter. Okay. So now go to my front view. My shape is like this. Okay. This one is small. What I do, I select this and I increase the iterations to 10. Okay. Maybe 20. Okay. Like this. If you want, suppose like this, then I will select this object. Okay. I will go to add modifier and I will add a curve. Okay. See curve here. Click on this curve. Go to the bottom. Click on pick and click on this curve. After picking on this curve, see it looks like this. Okay. So you have to press G and move it exactly over this like this. Now just zoom in and see. Okay. Like this. Okay. So here if I think if I make a cylinder, okay, I go to the top view. Okay. So here if I make a mesh cylinder, suppose like this. Okay. Go to the front view. Okay. This was my cylinder. Press tab, press A, S, scale, then wireframe. Select this vertexes Z, Z like this. Press A, S. Now here you see you don't have segments, so this will be cut off. Okay. we need to subdivide. Okay, so gz, then gz like this. Then what we will do in wireframe, we are in wireframe now. Press tab, go to edge mode, select this edges, then I will go to edge, subdivide, click here, and I may give suppose 20 or 30 cuts. Okay, 10 is maximum. If I want to give another 10, you click outside, then again subdivide for another 10. Okay, now suppose in 10, let us see how it looks. I select this, I go to add modifier, I add a curve, I select this curve like this. Okay, press G and move it exactly over it. Okay, now as I said, this is lacking segments, so it is looking like this. If it had more segments, it would be very nice. Okay, so I press tab, press A, I press scale. Okay, now just try and see. Okay, I press G, move it here exactly over the line. Okay, now if I zoom, you see. Okay, excellent effect. Okay, I hope you are clear with this. Okay, so practice this and see. This you can use for any kind of objects if they are like this. Okay, thank you.